Here we can see how to connect the model in AWS Bedrock using LiteLLM. There are many methods to connect to an LLM. Like we can use directly the Dota3 package, or we can use LangChain, or you can use LiteLLM, or there are many more methods. So here I will use LiteLLM. So I have installed the LiteLLM package. It can install LiteLLM. So here I have imported the load.tnb to load the environment variables, and I have set the operating system variables. So from here, we have to also give the model ID. So model ID will be given when you are provisioning the model. So here, the syntax is from LiteLLM about completion. And it's easy to initiate LLM, just response the variables when we want to store the answer, and then give the completion. And here we are providing the model ID and messages. So messages is a list of dictionaries. So here we give content and the content of the content and the role, which will be either user or assistant. I can also be system to give the predefined prompt to the system. So here I haven't given any system prompt. You can directly interact with the chatbot or the model. So and we can print the response. So the output or the message from the LLM will be stored inside this path. If we directly respond, there will be more data like the tokens, the model here we have used, etc. So this is how we connect the model using LiteLLM. Here we can see the output of the model. So it has started execution. Once it is executed, it will print the message. So here is the message.